Oh, anyway. Ooh, I got orange glitter and yay! I got the little cubes. So I guess I'm just gonna glue this inside. Not the whole thing though. Wait, what? It got stuck. Jack, pick a bag. Hey, I got the little foam cubes. I wanted it. Yeah, cheating. Going to pour. I got a little container. Two. I got blue glitter. Aww. Yeah, wait, Bella. Bella, which one do you want? No, you gotta get a mystery. Which one? Open it, Bella. I'm gonna pour my glitter. It fell out. It fell out. Here, Bella. Here, Bella. You got these too. You got purple and yellow. So here, let me help you. But we first have to help her pour in the thing. One, two. Oh, and they're scented. She got vanilla. Mix it. Here. Ooh, that smells good. Make simple. Wait. So it's my turn to finish this one. I'm gonna go Bella. Mix it, Bella. I wonder what I got. Oh, I got one of these. Ooh, I got these. Oh, my turn. Can you help me? Yeah. Okay, I'm going to choose this one. Open it. Oh, I got clear glue. Okay, I'm gonna open it. It looks like we're gonna have clear slime. Yeah. I'm gonna dump it in.
Let's see.
I need to mix it. Guys, look. Okay, I'm done. And also, I forgot to put in these cubes. Put them in this bag. I got lime oil and this blue, this thing that you got, bamboo, and it's blueberry scented. Ooh, you're really looking fine. Wait, how do you open this? Here, let me help. Bella, it's your turn. Which one do you want? I'm the blue. No, you have to get a mystery. Which one? This one? Ah! The thing fell into my slime. Oh, you got purple glue. You got glitter glue. Here, let me help you. Back to my turn. Here, pour it in. That should be enough. She needs to. Oh, she got purple glitter glue. To match with her purple. She has to squeeze it hard. Squeeze it out. There, Bella. inside. And yeah, there's no. Oh, you got pink glitter, Bella.
Yeah.
Here, let me help you. Ooh, I like your slime. Okay.
Look at my slime.
Mix it, Bella.
Hey,
It's your turn, Bunny.
I'm gonna go back to
What did you
It's
get?
going slow.
Ooh.
I got a mystery surprise too. I got blue glitter.
Pardon? Ooh, you have a lot of like accessories.
She's probably gonna have an accessory slime.
Yeah,
My pink glitter.
You have a lot of glue in here. You can barely mix.
Mommy's so sticky. I might have to get rid of Juicy.
I keep getting small. I got another mystery thingy.
Open it. Now which mystery thing?
Oh, I got purple glitter.
Mine is like purple. You guys, I might have to get rid of some of these.
And I have to pour my purple glitter in.
I'm gonna get rid of some of these. These are not letting me mix.
You have to mix it. Ooh, mine's turning pink, like clear pink.
I got two mysteries.
Ooh. Let's see what you got. Mix it.
I got some little stars.
Oh, you got some of the stars.
I got little confetti.
Ooh.
There, Betty, want these?
What is that?
Somebody open these.
Sure. Actually, no. But thanks. I'll keep it right here in case.
Can you help me? This is much more better.
Here. I need to mix it because there's still some of the purple glitter that I hadn't mixed up. Yeah, I have to mix.
Guys,
And
look
I
how
keep
much I'm
another
putting
one
in.
in.
Look, I'm gonna have like a party slime.
Whose turn is it? Oh, it's your turn, Bella. Which one? This one? Open it.
Can you help me? Now I got a lot of party stuff in mine. What did you get?
Oh,
What'd you get?
pour the beads in, Bella. Mix it. Okay.
It's my turn.
So she's gonna pick a bag.
This one. This is really nice. Wow, more beads!
What beads you
Look,
get?
guys, more of the same beads.
Oh. You got the same beads again.
I know.
Just pour it in.
I'm having my slime might be a party slime.
This one. Let's see what I got.
And oh, I got shaving cream.
Pour it
Shaving cream. Want some more?
in. You need some. Here, Bella, you can have some.
I want some, but I didn't get it.
Okay, I need to mix mine. Mine's gonna be fluffy. Oh, that's a lot.
Can I pour some in? Because I don't really have any. Shaving cream.
Bella still has glue that she needs to pour in. Ooh, this smells like lemon. Ooh, look at. Okay,
Mine's
mine's
your
turn.
turn. Get this one. Mine, no.
be clear. You ready? You have some, Bella. This you just can't see it.
I can see
Look at
it.
mine. I can't see.
It still has some in, but I'm not gonna touch it.
Because what happens happens.
My slime is looking amazing.
Okay,
I can see it. I can see it.
Bella, it's your turn. Pick one.
This one.
Okay.
There's
you go.
only 3 more.
Yeah. No.
No, yeah, because this one right over there.
Oh, you got the green coloring, Bella.
And pink.
Yeah, which one do you want to put both of it in?
Yes.
Okay. She got Chewy and Bubblegum. This is Chewy and this is Bubblegum. Let's open it.
That one I know. You open?
Where?
Yeah.
Oh, something fell out. This came out. Ooh, that's
Guys, does my slime look like a party slime?
Oh, hers is turning brown, you guys.
No, mine is turning purple.
It was kind of turning brown.
There's brown right there. Mine is turning purple.
There.
So it's my turn.
So you gotta smush it again? Ooh, she's gonna have crunchy slime. Your turn, honey. Which one?
I'm gonna have this one.
Okay. What did you get?
I got pink glitter glue.
Ooh.
I'm gonna try to get the other blue one of mine.
Yeah, she has a lot.
I got four.
I'm gonna mix my shaving cream because there's barely
I have more, Jack.
Ooh. You need to squeeze. Ooh, look at the
Guys, look at mine. So what color glue did you get?
I got clear glue. I got this one. But I still have some in, you guys, so I have to pour it in.
Wait. Okay. I might have pink slime.
Crunchy pink slime, actually. Okay, pink is it's my turn. So I'm gonna take the last bag. Oh, it's heavy. Wonder what's inside. I got purple glue. Yeah, Bella. I guess mine's not clear anymore because I have purple.
No, that's not the blue glue.
Oh, yeah, blue.
Oh my god.
It's really hard to squish in.
Yeah, my thumb's Look at Bella.
There's like a big air bubble of shaving cream right there. It looks like a big bubble. Hey, something is getting yeah, there's getting stuck. I got some shaving cream. see it because of all the shaving cream.
It's time for
So I have to make the
activator.
You have to. More two squirts in there because you don't want to make it really bad. Mine's starting to go into slime. Did you open it? Oh my God.
Jackie.
Not too much.
No, the thing fell out.
Oh, you put a lot in there. There's no more Bella here. I'll give you some.
It fell off and I got too much.
Look, there's only a little left. Though. Not gonna be enough. Yeah, you can pour the. Look at mine. No, she poured the whole thing in.
Yeah,
It's not gonna work.
Because the thing fell off. It's sticky.
Mine's like really good. Mine too. Oh, look at mine. It's stretchy.
It was not me.
It's hard to mix in here.
Oh
Ooh,
gosh.
look at.
Mine's so sticky.
I think a lot of
Dude, I don't really think it might work.
Oh, I just found the little cube. Squish it in.
I found a ball. It's hard to switch.
Look at my slime. I put extra shaving cream in mine, so it came out really thick. This is Bella's.
Give me. I might need
I'm gonna do
Big
like
slime.
3 because look at.
Here, you can have all mine. Can I have all of yours?
Thanks for watching. Give this a big thumbs up.